everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. So usually I will talk about medication errors, but on today's episode I'll be talking about gadget errors. I ordered for a wireless microphone that was to use for creating content, and I made a mistake. So I don't want you guys to make the same mistake that I made. So this wireless microphone, it has two microphones in it and a connecting port that you connect to your phone. So I did not take the time to check, and I only discovered after it was delivered to me that there are two types of connecting ports, one for an iPhone and one for a type C. I actually use a type C kind of phone. So at the point where I wanted to connect to my phone, I discovered that the connecting port was actually for an iPhone and I couldn't use this microphone. So I sent it back and I'm still waiting for it to get back to me. So peradventure you want to order, don't make the mistake I made. Thank you for watching.